So guys, we're just gonna get right into it, and right now I know I'm looking so ashy, so I'll be taking my Shea Moisture 100% pure Argan Oil. So I'll just be putting that on my hands and I'll be applying that all over my face as a moisturizer. Then I'll be prepping my face with the Matte Fix Plus and I'll just be spraying that all over my face. So next for my brows, I'll be taking the Fix Plus and I'll be spraying it all over my spoolie, and I'll be using this to brush my eyebrow hairs in place so they don't go anywhere throughout the day. Then next I'll be taking my brow pencil and I'll be using this to outline my brows. And guys, I'm just following the natural shape of my brows. After that, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'll just be using this to fill in my brows, the sparse areas where, you know, hair doesn't grow or has refused to grow. So I'll be taking my spoolie and I'll be brushing everything in and just blending everything so it looks nice and neat. So when that's done, I'll be taking my LA Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. So I'll be using my angled brush and I'll just be cleaning out my brows, you know, where I made mistakes and all that. Then I'll be going in with my MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NW45, and I'll be using this to clean up the top part of my brows, and I'll be buffing everything in with this buffing brush. Then next, going back in with that concealer, I'll just be using it to prep my eyelids for my eyeshadow, just to make sure everything blends nice and easy. Then next, I'll be setting everything in with the Sacha buttercup setting powder just so it does not crease. So next, wiping off the excess, and then we'll be going in with eyeshadow, and I'll be using the Morphe 35F palette. This is the palette I'll be using today. This was a gift from my friend, so thank you, Chixie. So I'll be starting with these three colors down here, starting with this brown one. I'll just be dabbing it and tapping off the excess, and I'll be blending this into my crease using it as a transition color. Then next, going in with that reddish brown shade, I'll be blending it into my crease as well, just to add a little bit more dimension. Then because this is a cut crease, I'm going back in with my concealer, and I'll just be using it to clean off my eyelids, you know, clean off the area where I'll be applying my lid color. So I'll just be using that to cut my crease. So for the eyelids, we'll be using this golden shade over there. So I'm just going to be taking my Fix Plus and I'll be spraying it on my brush just to pack that color in. Then I'll be patting it all over my eyelids in the areas where I applied the concealer. Then next, I'm going to be taking this dark purple shade, and because we are trying to do a smoky eye today, I'll just be blending that purple shade on the outer V to make the eyes look extra smoky. So guys, I went back in and added like a touch of black just to darken up the eyes a little bit.
1,000 years later.
Now that that's done, I blended a lot. I'm just going to be taking my baby wipes and I'll just be wiping off all the fallout from the eyeshadow. Then next, I'll be taking my foundation and we'll be using the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation, and I'll be mixing it in with the NYX Liquid Illuminator just to add that extra glow. Then I'll be taking my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush and I'll just be buffing that foundation in. And you really want to like blend as you go with this foundation. You don't want to leave it sitting on your face for a long time because it does dry pretty quickly. So if you let it dry, it becomes harder to blend. So you want to blend. So next, I'll be taking my damn beauty blender, and I've already highlighted my face, as you can see. So I'll just be using that beauty blender and I'll just be dabbing all the places where I highlighted. And I also use the LA Pro Concealer for this as well. And when that's done, I'll be taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'll just be applying some of that and dabbing my beauty blender and then patting it into my face. So after I'm done setting my face, the next thing we are going to be doing is contouring. And for contour today, I'll be using the sleek contour palette in the shade medium. So I'll just be contouring my cheeks just to add, you know, more depth and dimension. We've been contouring for quite some time now. So contouring my nose, you know, giving it that chiseled look. Then I'll be going in with my blush. And guys, there was a time when I was like so scared of blush, but now I cannot live without it. I just like adding that pop of color to my face. And just taking this brush and blending everything in because we don't want to be looking scary out here. Then next I'll be taking my black opal finishing powder and I'll just be using this to reverse contour, just to like cut out my cheekbones and like make it look more chiseled and make my contour look very sharp. Then next I'll be setting everything with the MAC Fix Plus again, fanning and fanning, still fanning.
Eternity later.
So next for highlighter, I'll be using the Zikel Cosmetics Glow Kit and I'll be using the shade Bubbly, and I'll just be using this to highlight the highest point of my cheeks as well as the bridge of my nose and of course my brow bone. Then next I'll be going in with that dark purple shade and I'll be applying this on my lower lid to again add to that smoky effect. Then I'll be taking my MAC black kajal and I'll be using this to line my waterline. Then I'll be going in with my applicator and I'll just be drawing myself a nice winged liner. I am loving this eyeshadow look, guys. It looks so good, like so smoky and dark and pretty. I just love it. So for mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Mascara, and this will just help me, you know, prep my eyelashes for my falsies. So next I'll be going in with my lashes, and these are the Niella lashes in the style Fleeky.
Very boring minutes later.
And yeah, still struggling with those lashes, but then now they're in. I'll just be going in with some inner corner highlights just to add more pop. Then next I'll be lining my lips with this lip pencil from MAC. Then for lipstick today, I'll be using the Smashbox nude lipstick and just be rubbing that all over my lid, all over my lips. Oh my god. And then topping it off with this nude gloss from Victoria's Secret. Then to set everything, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Finish Powder in the shade NW45. So guys, that's it for this look. This look was so highly requested. I posted it on my Instagram and you guys just fell in love with it. You're going to see the pictures after this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do apologize for not being so consistent, but then that's going to change from now on. I know I say that all the time, but it's going to change. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe. I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
$80,000 impressions later.
Would you please stop imitating me? It is starting to get very annoying.